Welcome to part 2 of our look at the new Requisitions module in Freezerworks 2017. If you'd like a quick overview of this new tool, see part 1 of the series. Today, we are going to create a requisition. Then I will demonstrate how to modify requisitions by adding and removing aliquots from it. And finally, I'll show how to cancel a requisition at the end. First, in order to create a requisition, we'll need to find some aliquots that we want to request. Use any of the available search tools to do so, but remember that you must end up on the inventory list view in order to create the requisition. When you have found the desired aliquots, highlight them and click Process Workflow, Create Requisition. This opens the requisition form. The requisition's details are displayed at the top, while the aliquots you selected are displayed in the list view at the bottom. Use the Select List View dropdown if you would like to view different data for the requested aliquots. Everything you can do at this stage, you can also do after saving the requisition, which creates it and alerts those users that have permission to approve requisitions. However, once the requisition is approved, you can no longer edit the selection of requested aliquots. What's most important here is the purpose box, which is provided so that you can explain why you need these particular aliquots, which will help approval authorities make their decisions. Let's go with, I need aliquots for testing. If you want to include a shipping contact in the requisition form, click the plus button and select the desired contact. If the contact you selected has an email address attached to it, the Send Email Notifications to Shipping Contact box will become activated. Check it on if you'd like the shipping contact to receive email notifications at every stage of the requisition process. Now we'll go through the rest of this form after we save the requisition. Click Save, and you'll be returned to the inventory list view. To find the requisition file again, return to the splash screen and open Workflows, View Requisitions. The requisition we just created will be listed on the Pending tab with a status of requested. When I open the form, the changes I made to the purpose and ship to boxes are visible, and I'm allowed to edit them further. Now, if for any reason you'd like to remove some aliquots from the requisition, highlight them at the bottom and click Exclude. This will move the selected aliquots from the Aliquots tab to the Excluded tab and decrease the number of aliquots included field appropriately. The number of aliquots requested field at the top, however, will always remain static with the initial number of aliquots requested. On the Excluded tab, if for any reason you made a mistake and need some aliquots back in the requisition, simply highlight them and click Include. This will move the selected aliquots from the Excluded tab back to the Aliquots tab. To add different aliquots to the requisition, we will need to return to the inventory list view. Locate the aliquots you want to add to the requisition, then highlight them and click Process Workflow, Add to Requisition. A list of available requisitions will appear. Highlight the desired one and click Select. As you can see, the aliquots I selected are now set to requested. If we return to the requisition form and view requisitions, we'll see that the new aliquots are in the list view at the bottom on the Aliquots tab. The number of aliquots included field updates appropriately as well. If you want to look at just the aliquots that have been added to the requisition after its initial creation, use the Added tab. Finally, if you would like to cancel the requisition for whatever reason and return all of the aliquots to their previous statuses, simply click Cancel Request at the bottom of the requisition form. The requisition becomes read-only, but to finalize the cancellation, be sure to click Save. Well, that does it for part 2 of our requisitions series. Join us next time when we go through approving and rejecting requisitions. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.